Sat Sri Akal students, today we will learn how to express all trigonometric ratios in terms of other trigonometric ratio. The meaning will be clear soon. Let's take an example. We want to express cos A, tan A and secant A in terms of sin A. So for this, we need to use all the trigonometric identities. So I hope you know all the trigonometric identities. It is very well explained in the last video. So in once you observe this complete video, you will be able to perfectly master all the solved and unsolved examples of your textbook NCERT in 10th. So first trigonometric ratio for, let's say, any given angle A. Let's say A is some angle. For this, we know that cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. And other trigonometric ratios are these are the three trigonometric ratios we will be using to express cos A, tan A and secant A in terms of sin A. Now students, first let us try to express cos A in terms of sin A. So you see in which trigonometric ratio cos and sin comes. So cos and sin comes in first trigonometric ratio. So I'll simply write cos square A would be equal to 1 minus sin square A, right? So I got the answer. Cos A is equal to 1 minus sin square A under root. You see students, normally if I say x square is equal to 9, I say x is equal to plus minus 3 when I take under root of 9. But in this case, minus will not come because cos A is a positive quantity. It's a value which is positive. I have successfully expressed cos A in terms of sin A. Let me try to express now tan A in terms of sin A. So now there is no identity convert having sin A and tan A. So but I know that tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. Tangent of any angle, this trigonometric ratios is a ratio of two trigonometric ratios, that is sin A and cos A. So from this I get tan A is equal to, I want to convert tan A in terms of sin A. I will make sin A like that. I will convert cos A into sin A, which I have already done, is equal to sin A divided by cos A is 1 minus sin square A under root, which I have already expressed. So students, now I will express secant A in terms of sin A. How will I do this? Now secant A is reciprocal of cos A, and cos A has already been expressed in terms of sin A. How? Cos A is equal to, yes, Supreet Kaur, what is expression of cos A in terms of sin A?
Under root 1 minus sin A.
Under root 1 minus sin, say again. It's not sin A, it is, students, anyone can speak?
Sin square A.
It is sin square A. Be attentive, Supreet. So secant A is equal to 1 by cos A, and cos A, the value, I will write this value. So it will be 1 by 1 minus sine square A. Very good. So secant A has also been converted successfully in terms of sine
Sine
A.
A.
Students, let's try to prove that secant A into 1 minus secant A into secant A plus tan A is equal to 1. How we will prove this? So again, here secant and tan is coming. So can you tell me the trigonometric identity where both these ratios come? Any
Secant
student?
square A
Secant square A
is equal to
1
1 plus tan square A.
tan square A. Good, Sahaj. So now secant A I can convert in terms of cos A. I will write left hand side is equal to secant A in terms of cos A is 1 by cos A into, let it be like this, 1 minus sin A. Now again convert secant A in terms of cos A. Please convert secant A in terms of cos A. 1 by
1 by cos A.
cos.
1 by cos.
Now please convert tan A into cos A and sin A.
Sin A by cos
Sin A
A.
by cos.
Good. Sin A by cos A. Right? Now let us rearrange. It is 1 minus sin A by cos A. Now I'm having an idea that if I take cos A as the LCM, ऊपर की आ जाएगा 1 plus sin A, right? So into this is cos A, students. What I will get here? Tell me.
1 plus sine A.
Sin A. Now see student, this is 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. So it's like A minus B into A plus B. Tell me students, this is equal to
A
A
square minus B
minus
square.
B square.
A square minus,
A square minus B square.
very right Harpal Singh, very right. So एक ही आ जाएगा. What it will become? What is the first term? 1. 1 square minus. What is the second term?
Sine A.
And what is the square of that? It will be
Sin square A.
Sine square A.
So what is on the bottom? Say into cos A.
Cos square.
Cos square A.
Now students, this is 1 minus sin square A. So 1 minus sin square is equal to, according to first trigonometric identity, cos square A plus sin square A is equal to, students,
1.
1.
1.
And what about 1 minus sin square A? If I take sin square A,
Cos square A.
is equal
Cos
to
square A.
cos square A. So this is cos square A by cos square A. It will cancel. So answer is 1. Alright students, let's try to prove cot A minus cos A divided by cot A plus cos A is equal to cosecant A minus 1 divided by cosecant A plus 1. Students, you will be able to benefit the video if you pause it at regular intervals and do the sums simultaneously as explained. So left hand side is equal to, let me write the complete left hand side, cot A minus cos A divided by cot A plus cos A. Student, can you tell me how I can express cot A in terms of sin A and cos A?
We can use identity 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant A.
No, Supreet, because we don't have cot square A. We only have cot A. So cot A
Cos A by sin A.
cos A divided by
Sin A.
sin A. I think Tanya is speaking. Tanya is improving. Very good. So this will be cos A divided by sin A minus cos A. Similarly, you do with the denominator. What I will write here? Cos A divided by sin A.
Cos A, sin A plus cos A.
From this term and this term, what is common?
Cos A.
Cos A. You see, actually, I'm having a I on the right side. Here it is cosecant A. I know cosecant A is equal to 1 by sin A. Cosecant A is reciprocal of sin A and sin A is reciprocal of cosecant A. So I know if I take cos A common from above and cos A common here, cos A will cancel. It will be remaining 1 by sin A, and 1 by sin A is equal to cosecant A. This is how I will prove. So I will take cos A common. Yes, what is inside, students? Anybody can tell me?
1 by sin A.
We can
1
write for
by
second.
sin A minus cos A divided by cos A, 1. Divided by again, please take cos A common. What do you have?
1 by
1 by sin
sin
A
A
plus 1.
Plus 1. This is equal to cos A will cancel with cos A. 1 by sin A is equal to
The second
Cosecant A.
Secant A.
cosecant A minus 1 divided by cosecant A plus 1, and this is the right hand side. This is a way to prove these questions. So we have one more question, students. Express the trigonometric ratios sin A, secant A, tan A in terms of cot A, right? So let's try to do together. You also help me, I'll also do. So first is we want to convert sin A in terms of what?
Cot A.
Correct. Sin A in terms of cot A. So any student can tell me how to do that? Sin A in terms of cot A. We have to express sin A in terms of cot A. So students, we have the identity, third identity, cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. We can use this identity to convert sin A into cos A, cot A. So we will write this identity, cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. So students, how can we convert cosecant into sine? Very simple. You know, cosecant A and sine A are reciprocal. Cosecant A is equal to 1 by
1 by sin A.
sine A. So I will write here what will come. This is cosecant square A. So it will be 1 by sine
Square.
square A. Had it been cosecant A, here I would have written 1 by sine A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Am I right? So students, what will be sine square A is equal to? Do cross multiplication. Sine square A will go here and this whole thing will come down. Would be equal to 1 by 1 plus cot square A. Am I right? So very simple, I get the answer. Students, I want to know what is sine A. So I will take under root on both sides. Under root of 1 is 1. And here also under root 1 plus cot square A. Am I right? I've successfully converted sine A in terms of cot A. Now let me see, students, how I can convert the second one, that is secant A in terms of cot A. Any student can guide me? Which trigonometric ratio I will use? The second one. What?
Secant square A
equal to 1
is equal to tan square A.
correct, and tan square A. And you know tan A is a reciprocal of
Cot A.
cot A. So I will replace tan A by cot A. So I directly get the answer. How? Let me use blue color. Secant square A is equal to, tell me students, 1 plus, instead of tan, I will write its reciprocal. So it will be 1 by
Cot square A.
Cot
cot A.
square A.
Very good. So now, students, I can also write it as cot square A plus 1 divided by cot square A. Am I right? Cot square A multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 1 divided by cot square A
Yes.
multiplied by 1. Right? So what is secant A? Yes. Mansur Kaur, can you tell what is secant A? Okay. So Sargun, please tell what is secant A? We will take under root